Hello, my dear YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel, Must Watch Tips. My name is Parth, and I'm going to show how to make this PowerPoint presentation in just few minutes. And believe me, this PowerPoint presentation just take few steps to complete it. So I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful PowerPoint presentation in just few steps. So do watch this video till the end. Now, without wasting time, let's get into this video and start making this presentation. So I'm here in the PowerPoint and I have taken this blank presentation. And first of all, let us clear all the dialog box which are there by default. And before moving forward, let us take a color palette from colors.co. You can just simply Google it or you can take a color palettes from here. You can see that by default, there are plenty of color palettes available. So let us say I want to take this color palette in my PowerPoint presentation. So I'll just take a snip of it by pressing Window Shift and S, and it will create a dialog box for us to select a portion of this screen where we will capture the portion of this color palette over here like this. And we will simply jump to the PowerPoint presentation and press Ctrl V. So now we have these colors available in our PowerPoint presentation as well. Let us keep this aside for a while. And now let us move to the next step. So the next step is to insert a circle over here. So let us go to insert shape and select this oval shape, and you can make a circle like this. But many a time what happens is that when we make a circle, it is not exactly a circle. It will be an oval. So to make a circle, the tip is to hold a shift button while you make a circle. So I'm holding now the shift button and I'm making a circle. So you can see that this is exactly a rounded circle. So I just prepared a circle over here. Let us make the circle exactly the same size of the slide size we have here. And we can go to shape format and remove the shape outline. And in the shape fill, here we have an option of eyedropper tool. So we will select this eyedropper tool and select the darkest shade we want in our slide. So let me took this dark purple over here and I'll place this over here on the right hand side. On top of this, we will add a shadow effect over here on this circle. So we will go to shape effects and go to shadow, and we will select this shadow, the right side offset, and we will go to format shape. And in the shadow section, we will increase the size to 103%, let's say, and blur to 25%. And now you can see that the shadow uh, is like a blur shadow effect, which has given effect of depth in this. And after this, we need 4 to 5 circle like this. It depends on the topics which you have in that particular presentation. So let us say I have 5 topics. So I'll duplicate this circle 5 times. And to duplicate, let us press Ctrl D. And you can see that the circle has been duplicated now in the same size and same color. Now, once we create 5 duplicates of this circle, we will change the color of each circle one by one. So with the second one, I'll choose the lighter color than the color which has been selected previously. So I'll go to shape fill, and in the eyedropper, I'll select the lighter tone. And in the same way, I will change the color of each and every circle which I've just created. And I will took the lighter shade as compared to the previous shade I have selected, like this. Now I have selected 5 circles. Let me put this aside and let me select 5 circles, and I will go to arrange, and you can find arrange in the home section, by the way. So I'll go to arrange, align, and let us align all the circles in the middle like this, exactly in the center of the slide area. And now we want to distribute these circles, but first of all, let me place the circle over here. Let us arrange them in such a way that there is equal space and some good area to write a text into it, like this. And once we are done roughly, we can select all the circles. And to make sure that they are evenly distributed, we will again go to arrange, align, and let us distribute them horizontally like this. So you can see that now the spacing between each of the circle is uniform. If I press Ctrl Z, you can see that that was not uniform space. And if I and if I press Ctrl Y, you can see that the space has been now uniformly distributed among the circles. Now, in the background of the slide area, we will go to format background and select a dark color. I will choose black one because it is the darkest of all, or you can select the uh, dark blue color as well. Now, I have 5 topics, so I need to add 5 titles over here for each of the circle. So I already copied that from my previous slide, so I'll just paste it over here. And you can see that there are 5 topics in our particular slide, in this particular slide. And you can add first topic, you can add your text over here, second, and respectively for all the topics. Now our first slide is ready, and we will go to first slide and press Ctrl D to duplicate the first slide. And now in the topmost slide, what we will do is we will select all of these text boxes. We will go to arrange and we will align them all in the left side and move these text boxes to the leftmost side of the slide area where it can be visible. You can see that our slide area starts from here to here. So we'll move this text boxes that it can't be visible from the presentation area when we present. And we will do the same thing for this circles as well. We will go to arrange, align, and align them left and move these circles to the leftmost part of the slide area. Now you can see that if we go to the slide presentation for this particular slide, there is nothing visible over here. See, and in the second slide, we have placed the text boxes over here. Now, the magic part comes that after all the steps which we have completed, we will select both of the slides, go to transition and apply morph transition with the duration of 1.5 seconds, and we will select apply to all. So now we are good to go with this particular presentation. So if I go to slideshow now, I'll press Shift F5, and if I play next, you can see that the slide is now ready to go. Isn't this beautiful, right? And in this one, if you have 6 topics, you can make 6 circles like this. But I would not suggest you to take this particular slide template when you have more than 5 topics because it will be kind of too much text in just one slide. So if you have a topic such as 2, 3, or 4 in your presentation, then this slide is the best fit for your presentation. So I hope you like this video and you have learned a lot from this video. I've already uploaded videos of PowerPoint tips and tricks in my YouTube channel. You can visit them and go through that. You will learn a lot from those videos. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe that and share it with your friends. Hoping to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.